How to withdraw on Bitget. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to withdraw on Bitget, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your Bitget application and make sure you have successfully logged into your account as well as verified your trading account, and simply select the option that is assets from your bottom right corner of your application and make sure you are on the spot from the top of navigation bar. So you can also check out your balance from over here, and now just tap on this withdraw button over here and you should see there are three different options to actually withdraw. So there is on-chain withdrawal, internal transfer, or P2P trading. So for now I'll simply go with on-chain withdrawal, and from over here you just have to select the available coin or currency to withdraw. So just choose any one of these which you have one. So in this example I will be using USDT. So once you're inside here, finally you can just tap and hold to paste the address of the withdrawal address, and you can also choose the withdrawal network. So it could be anything like Solana if you are using, and if you are using Optimism you can just go for that just like this, and make sure to copy the wallet address from Optimism and paste it over here and just enter the withdrawal amount that you like or that you require. So make sure you have enough balance before going on this process, and you can just tap on this withdraw button after filling out all of these information over here. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.